If you're pushing your voice, you might need SOVT's Trills edition. Don't laugh. SOVTs stands for Semi-Occluded Vocal Tract exercises, and they're a great way to improve your vocal efficiency, resonance, and ease. Trills are a type of SOVT that involve creating rapid vibration with the lips or the tongue that can include lip trills, tongue trills, raspberries, or gargling. So let's do those together. So you can pinch your cheeks and do some lip trills. Compare that with tongue trills. Or raspberries. Don't laugh. Or gargling. You can literally take a sip of water and gargle on a glide and see how you do. I'm spitting on myself. Which of those seem easiest to do? Step 2 is you're gonna choose your favorite trill and sing the melody of a song on that trill. So for example, like let's say you're doing Somewhere Over the Rainbow. You can do etc. Step 3, you're gonna do the trill on the melody and then immediately repeat with the text to see, can you keep the same sense of ease that you're finding on the trill in the context of the song that you're working on. Did you notice any difference? Was there a change in any sort of vocal tension? Did the sound get louder, softer, easier, harder? Keep alternating back and forth between the two and try to keep the same sense of ease that you're finding on the semi-occluded vocal tract exercise in the context of the text. For more self-assessments on how to free up your voice like this, make sure you like, subscribe, or follow. And as always, if you're experiencing any sort of vocal issue for more than 2 weeks, make sure you're seeing an otolaryngologist or a speech-language pathologist that specializes in voice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.